I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the data you want to inspect. You can click a single cell inside a contiguous range and X cell will detect the block. Once selected, look for the Quick Analysis button at the bottom right of your selection and click it. The menu offers groups like formatting, charts, totals, tables, and sparklines, so you can preview options. Use the arrow keys or mouse to scan previews and decide which visual or calculation will best summarize your dataset. After opening Quick Analysis, preview different choices. Hovering shows live previews directly in the sheet so you can compare outcomes without committing. Once you see a preferred chart or formatting, use options to refine it. Change chart subtype, pick number formats, or switch totals from sum to average or count. Make sure to confirm the selection by clicking the preview. If the result needs tweaks, edit the chart or cell formatting afterward. This keeps your workflow fast and iterative. To finalize, click into the new chart, table, or formatting and use contextual tabs to customize labels, axes, or styles so the result communicates clearly. Once done, save your workbook. If a change looks wrong, undo with CMD+Z or select the object and press delete. If Quick Analysis doesn't appear, make sure the selection is Contiguous and Intelligent Services or Office features are enabled in Preferences. Restarting Excel can also restore the button. That single troubleshooting step fixes most visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.